guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my 2023 lifestyle favorites. So if you missed it, I already put up my 2023 beauty favorites. So that covers makeup, skincare, body care, fragrance, nail polish. That'll be up in the corner if you want to check that out, as well as a link down below. But today's edition of the 2023 faves is lifestyle, so it pretty much covers everything else. Some home decor, some accessories, some tech stuff, kitchen stuff, just basically everything else. I'm not covering mom stuff because I think I'm going to do a like 2023 mom faves, or like just things that make my life easier with my toddler. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I got a list on my phone of things that I just was obsessed with all year, things that made my life a lot easier, things that I just really enjoyed. So yeah, let's just go ahead and hop into it. Let's start with like accessories. So the first thing I want to mention are my Brooks running shoes. I use the term running very loosely, as I do not run unless I'm running from something. But I've been on I still honestly am on a foot pain healing journey. I saw a podiatrist for the first time, but that should tell you how bad it was. But like since having Milo, my heels hurt on both feet, but especially on my left leg. And it just got so bad that at like some points I could always walk, but it just hurt really bad. So I was like, let me just go see a doctor. She explained to me really well that it's just something that happens with postpartum, and she like explained exactly what happens. Basically, your tendon is being pulled on or something, because I don't know. But it's basically very extreme plantar fasciitis, which I call plantar fajitas. She gave me some kind of like stretches and stuff to do, ice roll it, which I do not do enough. And then she told me to wear either Brooks or Hoka's, and I chose Brooks only because Bradley is such a huge fan of Brooks, and I found a cute pink pair. And you guys, I love them. I hate wearing tennis shoes. I do not hate wearing my Brooks. I have the Brooks Women's Revel. I will link them. I'll put a picture of them. They were $100, so that's pricey, but like for the way they make my feet feel, I'm gonna buy another pair. I love them so much. I'm also somebody that like, even if I wear the proper shoes to Disneyland, my whole life I have not worn the proper shoes. I've worn like flip-flops or flats. Those days are over. It is now the Brooks all the time. But even if I were to wear a different pair of tennis shoes to Disney World, Disneyland, especially in Tokyo, it was really bad, I would get terrible blisters. I have never blistered in my Brooks. Like, they are just incredible. So I highly recommend, when I notice my like feet or heels are really hurting or the pain is flaring up, I just try to wear the Brooks as much as possible, and it does totally help. So highly recommend those. And that's probably literally the only pair of shoes I bought this year, because I'm just not a shoe person. I have like a pair of flats and I wear those when I'm trying to be cute. I know flats went out of style, but never for me, but they're coming back in, so it's my time to shine. I should probably treat myself to some new shoes, but I don't care about shoes. I'm not a Carrie Bradshaw type of bitch. I am, however, a headband type of bitch, and that's my next favorite, is this Anthropologie bubble corduroy headband. I love the like bubble headband look. I know it kind of like people took it too far, and like they have like ginormous ones. I like this one because like it's still the fun bubbles, but it's a little, not subtle, but it's not as intense as some of those bubble headbands you see on Amazon. They have a few different versions. I think they have like velvet, maybe plain, something else, but I get the corduroy. I just like the way that looks, and most importantly, it is the most comfortable headband I own. I forget I'm wearing it. I love wearing headbands, but most of them hurt after a certain amount of time. Not this one. You can leave it on all day. I forget it's on. It's incredible. So I now have 4 colors. I started with this teal one, which I totally love. On Black Friday, I picked up the mustard yellowy one because I obviously had to have that. And then for some reason the day after Christmas it was on sale, and then an extra 40% off. I got the green and the pink for $8 each. I should have mentioned they are $20 regular priced, but I only paid regular price for the teal one. All of the other ones I got on sale, but these two I got for $8 each, which is nuts. And I believe this pink one, which I think is called the terracotta color, is still on sale, not quite for $8, but it is still on sale. So I will link these down below. Just think they're cute and they're fun, comfortable, love the colors, and you guys know I love a headband, and this is definitely my favorite find for headwear accessories in 2023. As far as jewelry, you guys know I love my Ana Luisa. My everyday go-to combo is my Kate Spade. They're called That Sparkle Round. They still have them. I will link them down below. And then my mini organic pearls from Ana Luisa. I've loved this year these Kate Spade studs. They're kind of like a pearl with a little like stud next to it. It's really cute. You could wear them down so they're like a little bit of a dangle, or you can twist them so it looks like you're wearing 2 earrings. It's like a tiny bit of an ear climber. Those are so cute. But yeah, for the most part, this is my everyday go-to staple. So I will link those both down below. I'm boring with the accessories, you guys. I just like earrings, sometimes a ring, and hair accessories. Let's do some home decor stuff, which I feel like a lot of these things in this video I talk to death all year because I really truly loved them, and that's just what I do on this channel is I share things I love. So I'm sorry if you've heard me talk about these things 1,000 times, but it is also nice to have everything kind of cooped up here in one video stamped of my absolute 2023 faves. But you won't be surprised to see the Amazon candle holders. So these are taper candle holders from Amazon. They come in packs of 3. I love them. They come in a bunch of different colors, and a big reason why I love them is because the set of 3 you get, they're 3 different shapes. So you get to kind of mix and match. Some are taller, some are shorter. And I have 2 different sets. I have the yellow and I have the purple. Set of 3 will all be the same color but into different shapes. So it just makes it fun to decorate with them. I love the like colored glass. I think they're kind of classic and timeless. They will grow with me in whatever way my home decor needs change. But I love them. I love that they're colorful. You guys know I'm in my taper candle era. I tried a lot this year because if you can find them, I loved the dollar store twisted candles. Were so cute. Sometimes if I go in there they still have them, but they are hard to find. But those were definitely a fave, as well as the H&M taper candles. So these are the striped ones, which they actually just came out with a couple new ones in this like stripe situation, as well as these like new colorways for spring, which I ordered some. They came yesterday. I need to open the box. Maybe I'll do a little unboxing on Instagram or something. But just I've loved the H&M candles. They burn really nicely. They're just, you don't find candles that look like this anywhere else. Like they're just so cute and fun and colorful, and I'm excited for spring for all the colors. And yeah, they're just a fave. As well as like H&M Home is a total new fave for me. I discovered it this year. I check it frequently. I've ordered from it frequently. I love it. I feel like it's pretty affordable for the like really cute and so far great quality stuff I've gotten from them. So that's definitely a 2023 fave. These are perfect for Valentine's Day coming up, but these teeny tiny little strawberry candles. They do have a scent. They don't really smell like strawberry, but I don't know, it's not that strong of a scent. But these are so freaking cute. They look cute unburned, or if you decide to burn them, they come in red and pink. And like I said, these are just off Amazon, so they're super cute. Definitely gonna pull them out for Valentine's Day again, but I just thought they're so cute. I had to mention them. And then one more home decor fave. I guess, yeah, home decor. A few months ago, I had the idea that I wanted to add a shelf to kind of like my bath area. I have a beautiful rattan shelf that I got from World Market that holds all my bath like accessories, my bath bombs, bath salts, all that kind of stuff. And then I had some cute prints above it, but I decided I wanted like a shelf in the middle of it just for extra decoration to put some candlesticks. And I found this kind of like butcher block looking one from Target. I know that's something that like a lot of people could DIY, but that would just take us forever to figure out. And this one was like really easy to just pick up, and he put it up in a matter of minutes. And I love it. I love the way it looks. It's really sturdy. He said that when he was hanging it, I don't know, like the studs or something. I don't know. He said this is a pretty sturdy shelf, so you don't have to be too careful with what you put on it. And it's super cute. Speaking of shelves, they're sitting right over there. And I just uploaded the short to YouTube. I'm gonna be better about uploading like some of my shorter form content to YouTube for those of you that don't have Instagram or TikTok. But the Five Below cloud shelves, they're incredible. I'll link it up in the corner. Only $5, and they're life-changing. We're gonna hang them today. Let's do some kitchen stuff. So first and foremost, my Our Place everything pan, whatever the hell it's called. The pan. It is life-changing. It is literally life-changing. I got one for Christmas last year. I didn't start using it until March, which sounds ridiculous, but I was trying to swap out the color, but then I realized, no, I actually like this color. And it's a long story. That isn't necessary. The pan is life-changing. I get pissed when I have to use a different pan, when I have to clean a different pan. It just is the best. It's a non-toxic, non-stick pan. A lot of the non-stick pans use Teflon, which we are a no Teflon household. I believe the last thing we had with Teflon in it was our air fryer, and we just got rid of that. We sold it on Facebook Marketplace, and we have like a Cuisinart, I think that's what it's called, a toaster oven slash air fryer that we are really enjoying. That could be a favorite too. I'll link it down below. We only got that because my mother bought it for herself just as a toaster and decided it was too complicated. Then she's like, do you guys want it? And I was like, yes, I would love it. And so we've been loving that. So I'll link that down below. But yeah, the pan is ceramic, non-stick. It really is non-stick. I will say it loses a little bit of its non-stickness over time, but it's not like the worst, if that makes sense. I just got the mini size one for Christmas, and we are loving having the mini size just for like making eggs in the morning, heating up leftovers. If I'm just like cooking a portion of food for myself, it's been lovely to have. It's in the lavender color. It's so beautiful. It just is the best. They are pricey, but they do sales. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But even at full price, totally worth it. Like totally worth it. Another fave from Amazon is my over the like sink colander. This has been in my save for later for years, but it went on a good deal during Amazon Prime Day, I think back in July, which that's one of my biggest Amazon tips is literally just add everything to your save for later because you can always delete it and weed things out. But things go on sale, like hella sale, like half off sale. And I'm like, yes. So unless it's something I need right away, I kind of just add it to my Amazon cart and watch for a little while. But I finally pulled the trigger. I don't like that expression, but I finally got the colander and I love it. I mostly love it for, I am somebody, when I come home from the grocery store, I clean all the produce in like baking soda and water, and then you gotta dump it somewhere and rinse it off. And the dishes aren't always done, and so then I would feel flustered of like, oh, I gotta do this before I do this. You just lay it over the sink and you can just do it on top, and it's fantastic. I use it for like pasta and everything else too, but that's mostly what I love it for, is washing my berries, my produce, anything from the market when we get home. And it just kind of saves space. It's great. Another thing that totally like transformed my freezer organization was the Rubbermaid, they have a name. They're basically just like stackable containers. They come in glass and they come in plastic. I have a little bit of both. I don't really know which one I prefer. The glass is nice because you could freeze it, but you could also like have leftovers in it, heat it up in the microwave or the oven, which is nice. So maybe I'd say the glass, but it is of course heavier. But as far as freezer organization, like it has been such a game changer for us. We have like a double thing, you know, so our freezer is tall, but it's pretty skinny. And we keep a lot of things in there. We should probably get like a deep freeze in the garage or something, but for now we're just trying to make it work. But there's things that we buy in bulk from Costco. We just like to keep a lot of on hand, or I'll make in bulk. I'm a huge lover of freezing things just to make your money go further, your food go further, just to have more things prepped and ready to go. And these containers have just been a game changer. I have them stacked. I keep like our Costco taquitos. We have tater tots in there. I buy like the big thing of non-dippers from Costco. I keep in there. I make Milo oatmeal, which I freeze in bulk. My turkey meatballs, I make a big batch of and I freeze, which both of those I'm going to be making soon in my meal prep video, so stay tuned. It's time for me to make both of those and I'm gonna document it. But yeah, they just come in handy. It's nice to get things out of their like bulky packaging and into a Tupperware, and then I can just stack them, and also they're see-through. I can see everything. So like with things we eat more regularly or things I cook in bulk and freeze, those have been incredible. So I will link those down below. And then kind of along the same lines, but this is more, I have this in my bathroom for bathroom storage. I have redone my bathroom organization 1,000 times, which is why I try not to spend a bunch of money on organization projects, because a lot of the times they don't work out. So I'm somebody that believes in frequently, if something's not working, you change it. Just because you spent all your time and your money buying things on trying to make a system work, if it's not working, change it up. So I am constantly changing the organization of my bathroom. I'm just trying to have just everything accessible, really know what I have. And so I got these stackable drawers for some skincare products. So my face masks, any sort of like serum stuff that I have. Also keep in mind the reviewing products is part of my job, so I am sent a lot of things, I try a lot of things, and so I want to have things organized so that I can see them, they don't go bad. So I love this stack of 3 drawers. They stack on top of each other and they stay put, and they're great. I have been loving them. I have room on top for one more. You can buy it in singles or in packs of 3, so I think I will buy a single just because I'm sure I'll find something else to put in there, but I am absolutely loving those. I think at some point I want to do a video on like some of my favorite organization products, because Amazon really has some things that are just like life-changing. Amazon and the Container Store. I have kind of a miscellaneous one, but this year I discovered this incredible Alice in Wonderland puzzle on Amazon. This was my year of puzzles. I would like to get back into it, but I just find that it's a really nice way to, like if Milo's down there playing or something, or we're just downstairs and I just have 10 minutes, it's nice to spend that 10 minutes using my brain and not scrolling on my phone. An attempt last year to look less at my phone, and it did work while I was in my puzzle era. I did every puzzle that we have in this house, which isn't that many. I have like a pack of Disney puzzles. Bradley's grandma got me some puzzles for Christmas, which is what started it. And I loved it so much that I eventually got this Alice in Wonderland puzzle on sale that I totally loved. The pieces are like oversized, but it was still a huge puzzle. And it had a bunch of different faces. I love puzzles with faces, whether they be, you know, human or flowers, like in Alice in Wonderland. It was the Golden Afternoon scene, and it was a great puzzle. So if you're into that, I'll link it down below. I'll give it some more time because I feel like I just did it, but I'm looking forward to doing that puzzle again. And then lastly, I have some tech stuff. So first up, this is technically a mom fave, but I feel like this could work for a lot of different people, so I'm mentioning it. But the Hatch Rest Go. Hatch is a like sound machine company. We have the Hatch Rest in Milo's room. We have the Hatch Restore back there. I love their products. We have the mini travel size one that like plugs into the wall, but this year they came out with the Hatch Rest Go. You just charge it. It has, I'm not sure how many sounds, but it does have Milo's preferred sound, which is like the rainstorm. Comes in a bunch of cute colors, and this has come in clutch, mostly for Disneyland naps, but also one day we needed a car nap and we blasted this, and he's fickle about falling asleep in the car, but he took a great car nap. So like this thing is just incredible. So if you like sound while you sleep and you travel, or you just find yourself, you know, spending the night out every now and then, you might love this. And it's only $35. It's a great quality product for only $35. So definitely wanted to shout it out, as it is something that definitely changed my life this year. Also life-changing is my neck fan. This was actually a find by my sister, but like when I am anxious, when I am fully in panic mode, Breeze helps tremendously for me. So like there are times where I will just sit here in this house with this on my face. Like just Breeze right on my face helps so much. This is also great for Disneyland, Disney World. If you're a theme park type of bitch, this will get the job done. I will say put your hair up because it will eat your hair. But other than that, it's a great product. There's a lot of like around the neck fans on Amazon, but I think this one is the cutest one. Lasts for like 5 hours, which is pretty good. It's not gonna last you all day, but yeah, this was totally life-changing for me this year, especially as I struggle in the summer most with my anxiety. So it's like already hot, and then I'm just, you know, so this is great. Also, motherhood has just brought me a lot of fans in my life. I have a handheld fan. I have a fan for Milo's stroller / car seat. It's all linked in my Amazon storefront, which I think I fixed the link and it should be working. And then lastly for tech is something I discovered in the last few months, but we did get another Alexa device up here. Oh, she still heard me. Nothing. Bye. Thank you, babe. We got the Echo Pop, which is so cute. I got the purple one, of course. I was gonna have it in my office, as I've told the story 1,000 times, but the thing I got on Prime Day came with a smart light bulb. I think it's Sengled. I don't know if I made that word up. It's something along those lines, but it's a smart bulb and it changes color and it's incredible. Make light one purple. Okay. It's just like immaculate vibes for chilling at night when I'm watching something in here. I love to be cozy. I love the twinkle lights. I changed that color. I do need to still get one for Bradley's side of the bed. Relax vibes will be through the roof. But she does every color, even pink. Like it's just so much fun. I feel like I'm really late to like the smart bulb trend. I know they have like twinkle lights that change colors. Like it's just so much fun. And like telling a robot to turn my light on and off, it's great. But yeah, those are my last tech faves. But okay guys, that is it. I think that's everything I had on my list. I'm sure I'm forgetting things, but yeah, those are my 2023 lifestyle favorites. I hope you enjoyed this. I will have everything I chatted about listed down below. Nothing's too pricey. Everything's pretty affordable. Oh, I guess except the shoes and the everything pan, but both totally worth it. But yeah, I love you guys. I will see you guys very soon. I'm hoping to get a vlog up soon. That meal prep video. I want to do some decluttering. I don't know if I'll film it, but just stick around for some more January type things. I'll have my face somewhere you can click and subscribe, as well as some videos that you may have missed or you might just enjoy. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great 2024 so far. If you're not, hang in there because there's always tomorrow, always next week, always next month. I love you. I'll see you very soon in a new video and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.